You are firmly stuck in the paralysis of analysis. I like this in English. A lot of students, a lot of friends of mine actually are in this situation where they basically call, oh, did you see the video of this bass player? And they are treading water and stepping on one place without actually really going forward and have a clear line to develop, play much better. In the second situation, you might have private lessons with even an excellent musician, but even there you are going from sight reading to walking bass lines to scales to playing grooves without like a clear line to follow. The third situation, you might have studied at a music college and in 4 to 5 years were provided with so much material that you actually got lost. This happened to me after Berklee. I didn't even know where to start. And thinking about music college programs, they are designed to give you a glimpse of what you could do. And so they as well jump from one idea to another and without giving like a common thread to go deeper.